life itself is magical without lies about Santa Claus. Gift giving can be so fun without becoming buying drums. Stories about virgin birth, stories taken word for word from books that have been translated too many times to count, are just stories to me. So please don't wish me a Merry Christmas. Please just skip to a Happy New Year. Please don't wish me a Merry Christmas, though I hope yours is filled with love and cheer. Yes, I am an atheist and you can call me a Scrooge, 'cause I'm a fan of reason. Don't partake in religious celebrations, but I do like to have fun, and I am up for friendly hugs. Just please respect this one request from me. Please don't wish me
El humo no número tangible. Esta cosa ya de hoy ya no se te manda. Fue blanca. Tiene pinta. Gracias por ayudarme a encontrar mi camino, por darme las cosas para recorrerlo, por tentarme a volver a intentarlo. Buen camino. ¡Ay, qué rico!
But extra rum, I'll have a green and red cookie because I love eating sweets. A sled ride sounds exciting, and let's build a snow person. Together we can have some secular fun. If you please don't wish me a Merry Christmas, please just skip to a Happy New Year. Please don't wish me a Merry Christmas, though I hope yours is filled with love and cheer.